let's see how the Apple campus is doing. I want to know, is this guy using a drone?
Apple has always stood for building the best products on Earth that enrich people's lives.
Is he using a drone to? Sorry guys, I gotta pause it. It won't load 4K. This is not gonna be in sync, I'm sorry guys. It is just refreshing on my end. Early 2017. So why are they making it a circle? Isn't that... How are they gonna travel? Then again, you really don't have to travel now. So, yes. What are they gonna have in the middle though? That thing is huge. Good night.